I've got to fix and mark where the sockets go. So what I'm going to use for that is the MarXman. Right, and this, it's got a little slot on there, so you've got to twist it to get it, so then it goes. And I'll show you how it gives a good mark, so you don't have to get your pencil mark on. Because what's the point in writing pencil mark on a grey brick? You've got to squint to try and find it. So this is my solution. So this is where I'm going to put my switch nice and level. And all I did there was push it. Because all you've got to do is put it on there and give it a push. You can just do this as well. Obviously I'm not going to drill there, but these are the 2 holes that I've marked with the MarXman. Then once you're finished with your MarXman, make sure to do that, because then it won't go off in your kit or in your van or in your pocket, because it will run out of the marking paint inside.